2022 Ford Bronco oil light maintenance light reset. Okay, so we're going to be using these buttons right here, this button, and then the up and arrows, and the OK button, maybe this button right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get closer to my screen. It's going to be on this screen over here. Okay, so first we're going to push this menu button, these three lines right here, and this is what will happen when you push it. And then we're going to use the bottom arrow to go down to settings, and then hit the OK button. Oil life, if it's up here, go down to oil life and push OK. Now this says 73% remaining, but it says hold OK to reset. So I'm going to push it and hold it, resetting, boom, done. Now you can push this return button right here to go back to the regular menus. And there you go, 2022 Ford Bronco oil light maintenance light reset. Thanks for watching.